Hello everyone, we are going to create a cluster on AWS. We are going to learn how to create an account in AWS, and after that how to create an EMR cluster and host it. So let's start. Go in the Google Navigator search and type AWS Educate Login. The very first link that you are going to get will navigate you to this page. If you have an account, you can directly enter your credentials. I hope you are a beginner and you don't have an AWS Educate account. So you will have to click on this link which tells us to how to create an Educate account. Once you click on this link, you will be asked to select either you are a student, educator, you are an institution, or a company recruiter, or a US veteran. So you have to click on the student link. Post that, you will have to fill some basic details of yours. I have already pre-filled these details. Uh, you have to fill your university name, the country of residence, first name, last name, your email ID, your student email ID, your date of birth, and then click on next. Once you click on next, you will be sent a link which you have to confirm. Since I already have an account, I will get a message like this. So now let's go to the login part. Once you create your account, you can go into the login window and you can enter your credentials. Once you are logged in, you have to go to this AWS account. You have to click on the AWS Educate Starter account and you will be able to see the amount of credits left with you. Initially, you will be credited with $75 credits. You have to click on the AWS console, click on the EMR, or you can search in the Elasticsearch EMR. Click on creating a new cluster. Name, it's like my first cluster. Logging, for me it was not required. If it is required, you can select logging. Now you have to select the type of cluster you want, a Hadoop cluster or a Spark cluster or a HBase cluster. For student purpose, I think M4 large will suffice all our requirement. Before clicking on the create cluster, let's set up our EC2 key pair which will be required. Click on the key pairs, click on creating new key pair, name it my first cluster. This PEM file will be generated and it will be saved on your system. Please do not delete this file, because if this file is deleted, then it will be hard for you to start your cluster and it will be hard to generate the same key pair file again. Keep it in a safe location. Once your key file is generated, select your key file, create a cluster, and that's it. You will see a window like this starting. This is starting, will take some time to change into a running mode. Once it is into a running mode, you can use the cluster. Thank you.